Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics exercise number 4B for new Scanty Mathematics book 2 class 7 abstract students, and exercise 11B for new syllabus mathematics D1, and question number 3 is there are two parts in question number 3 and both the parts having kites, and we have to find the values of unknown. Students, kite is a figure in which two adjacent sides are equal and other pair of adjacent side is also equal. So students, this figure is a kite and the name of this kite is A, B, C and D, and students, this side DC is congruent to DA and AB is congruent to BC, and if we join A with C, this is diagonal, and if you look carefully, there are two isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles are triangles in which two sides are equal. One triangle is DAC and it is an isosceles triangle in which DC and DA are equal, and triangle ACB is an also isosceles triangle in which AB and CB both are congruent. So students, if we join DB, then both the diagonals will intersect each other with the right angle, and other characteristic of kite is angle DCB and DAB both will be congruent. So students, keep in mind the characteristic of a kite. Kite is a quadrilateral in which two adjacent pair of sides are equal. I mean to say DC and DA are equal, AB and CB are equal. And diagonal of kite cuts each other with right angle, and the angles that are made by both non-equal sides are also equal. I mean to say angle DCB and DAB both are equal, and we have to find the values of unknown, and the angle D is of 100 degree and this angle is of A degree. This angle is 61 degree and this angle is B degree. As students, I have told you earlier that there are two isosceles triangles. So first we will discuss triangle DAC, and it is written in this way: in triangle DAC, angle DAC is congruent to angle DCA, and reason is opposite angles of congruent sides. So students, if this angle is angle A, then angle C, this angle will also be A. And other thing is that you know that sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So students, here I will apply a formula: sum of angles in triangle is equal to 180 degree. So students, this is 100 degree angle. This is angle DAC is A degree, and DAC is congruent to DCA, so it will also be A degree, and that is equal to 180 degree. So students, 100 is plus on left side. When I transfer it to other side, it will become minus, and A plus A mean 2A. So 2A is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, 2A degree. So students, 2A degree is equal to 80 degree because 100 will be subtracted, and 2 is multiplying. When we transfer it to other side, it will divide, and the value of A degree will be 80 degree over 2 degree. Degree will be cancelled with degree, and the value of A is 40. Now students, for finding out the value of b, we will discuss triangle ABC, and it is written as in triangle ABC, angle BAC will be equal to angle BCA, and reason is same, both angles are opposite angles of congruent sides. So students, if angle BCA is 60 degree, then BAC will also be 61 degree, not 60 degree, and this angle is angle B. So again we will apply the same formula. Sum of angles in triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now we will sum up all the three angles. Angle B is of B degree, whereas angle BAC is equal to BCA, and the value of BCA is 61 degree. Again this angle is 61 degree, and that is equal to 180 degree. 61 plus 61, it will become 122 degree, is equal to 180 degree. 122 is plus on left side, when we transfer it to other side it will become minus. So B degree is equal to 180 degree minus 122 degree, and B degree will be equal to what? We will subtract 122 from 180 and we will have 58 degree. Degree will be cancelled with degree, and the value of B is 58 degree. And it is the A part of question number 3. Now I am going to solve B part of the same question, and in B part there is again a kite, and kite is there, and we have to find the values of unknown. Now students, look at B part, and B part is, there is a kite in this way, and the name of this kite is A, B, C and D. And keep in mind students, when we join the opposite vertices, this line is called diagonal, and in kite, diagonal bisect the angle, each angle of the vertex from where the diagonal is drawn. So this angle and this angle both are equal, and this angle and this angle, these two angles are equal. Again, if we join DB, and DB diagonal will also bisect angle D and angle B, and there is only one diagonal, so the value of this angle is 26 degree. According to the characteristic of kite, this diagonal AC is bisecting angle C, so this angle, we can name this angle as angle X. So the value of angle X will also be 26 degree. As well as friends, if this angle BAC is 40 degree, then again this angle, we can name this angle as Y. So Y will also be 40 degree because diagonal bisect the angle. And this angle is angle C. In fact, we have to find the value of angle C. Here I am going to explain. This Y is equal to 40 degree. Reason is diagonal of kite bisect the angle. Bisect each angle. I mean to say, if we join AC, then line AC will bisect angle A as well as angle C, and if we join DB, then DB will bisect angle D and angle B. So students, first we will write Y is equal to 40 degree, and reason is diagonal bisect the angle. Students, it is the characteristic of the diagonals of kite. Now students, we will discuss triangle DAC. It is a triangle DAC, and it is written as in triangle DAC. I mean to say, we are discussing triangle DAC. Sum of angles in a triangle, sum of angles in triangle is equal to 180 degree. So students, C degree plus y plus 26 degree is equal to 180 degree, and the value of y we have found it out already, that is 40. So it is written as C degree plus 40 degree plus 26 degree is equal to 180 degree. C degree plus 40 plus 26 means 66 degree is equal to 180 degree, and 66 is plus. When we transfer it to other side, it will become minus. So C degree is equal to 180 degree minus 66 degree. Now students, subtract 66 from 180 and we will have 114. You can use calculator as well, otherwise subtract 6 from 10, we will take 1 carry from 8 and it will become 10. 10 minus 6 means 4, and here is 7 remaining. 6 will be subtracted from 7 and it is 1. So C degree is equal to 114 degree and the value of C is 114. And it is question number 3 of exercise 4B for 7th class and 11B for A O level. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.